When summarizing Excel data, you can either use Excel pivot tables or Excel functions. The pivot tables can be summarized by going to Insert, then Pivot Table. Then you can use the table headers to do summaries. In this video, we are going to use Excel functions, SUMIF, to do summaries by customer type, by category, and obviously by summing the gross amount. We'll start with summing by customer type. So we'll pick the column containing customer type, copy the customer type and paste into a new sheet. Then go to data and remove duplicates so that you get unique IDs or unique list for the customer type. So after this, I will type here gross amount because I want to get the gross amount by customer type. So using the SUMIF function, SUMIF, then click on FX to get the formula arguments dialog box, where the range will be the customer type, criteria will be standard class, second class, same day or first day in each row, and then sum range is the gross amount that we want to find the total. So range, we go to the raw data, then pick customer type, column D. Then criteria, we'll pick standard class. Then for the sum range, I'll pick the gross amount on column N, then click OK. Now I can copy this downwards and convert it to number. So come there, then convert to number. You can also do the auto sum to get 18 billion as the gross sum total. So the total comes down here. We can also get the total sum by category by picking the category field, then paste it here. Remove duplicates from the category field to get only 3 categories, which is furniture, office supplies and technology. The gross amount will come here, then expand this. Then this will be equals to SUMIF to get the function arguments dialog box. Then our range will be category, that is the range of the cells that we want to evaluate it. Let's evaluate the category column. For the criteria, furniture. Then for the sum range, I'll pick the sum range as gross amount. Then click OK. Then I'll copy this downwards, then home, then convert to that. Then now I can do the total there to get the same as total here. Thanks for watching. That is how to use the SUMIF function. My name is David Kandir.